Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my last video, and over the last several hours, Bitcoin repeatedly tested and briefly moved above the 90,000 level during the Asian session on December 29th, on Monday. This move was supported by early session strength and rising geopolitical uncertainty, including renewed concerns around Eastern Europe, which also pushed energy prices higher. However, during the US trading hours, momentum faded and price moved lower, slipping below 88,000. Over the past 24 hours, roughly $300 million worth of positions were forcefully closed, split almost evenly between long and short exposure. This kind of balance clearing often points to liquidity-driven price behavior, rather than one-sided market conviction. Over the last several days, which included a public holiday and multiple weekend sessions, spot Bitcoin ETF activity showed notable outflows, ranging between roughly $142 and $275 million. Reduced participation during holiday conditions often amplifies price sensitivity. From a positioning perspective, I pay close attention to moments when Bitcoin decouples from broader equity benchmarks, such as the Russell and the S&P. When that divergence appears, I shift focus to liquidity maps to identify areas of concentrated activity in the opposite direction. These zones often attract short-term price interaction as larger participants rebalance exposure. While this approach has aligned well recently, it remains a high-risk environment and requires disciplined risk control. Earlier moves around 90,000 and the subsequent pullback toward 88,000 were outlined in advance in the free Discord, based on these liquidity observations. On a longer-term note, on-chain data shows that long-term holders have paused distribution for the first time since July of this year. That shift alone is worth paying attention to. In addition, recent disclosures show that Michael Saylor's firm added 1,229 Bitcoin for approximately $108.8 million at an average price near $88,568 per coin. Strategy now holds 672,497 Bitcoin, acquired for roughly $50.44 billion at an average price near $74,997. These developments highlight the contrast between short-term volatility and longer-term positioning trends, which often unfold quietly beneath the surface. I will keep you updated at least once a week. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.